Acting with the Digital Factory approach, Digital Exchange is a digital marketing agency that can touch every point of brands and provides 360-degree service. Digital Exchange is positioned as a roof brand within the brand. Together Social is an influencer and content distribution network 126 countries managed by professionals in all fields. Medialogy, a content agency that produces content in many different languages, especially export and e-export brands. Ravi, the video advertising and video making platform that has become the most prominent in the recent era of digital marketing. İhracat.in, which helps brands in the last period of export and e-export brands abroad in market management, market analysis, digital asset analysis, in short, digital strategy. During this period when digital transformation is becoming important, you can see Accumulate, which produces big data solutions and provides service to brands, agencies, and customers with omnichannel solutions under the roof of DEX.